So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in a search block inside of wordpress.com. So over here you can see that I have this particular post editor right here. And now in order to add in the search block, I'm just going to go in between two blocks right here and click on the plus button. And over here, I'm going to type in search. Let's say, for example, then here you can see that search is an option. So once you go around over here, you can simply go around and then let's say, for example, I can say something like search my site right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and add in a search engine right here. Let me just go ahead and put this on the top. You can do that as well. You can also add in an optional placeholder. Let's say, for example, what do you want to find right here, just like this. And then what happens is that that will show up. So let me just go ahead and save this and then go around over here and view the post right here. And once you do that, you can see that search my site is an option right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to type in advantage right here and search. And then what happens is that it'll search through my blog right here. And the users will be able to find that particular post right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the search block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.